Alright, so you did a very good job following. Make sure you subscribe, don't forget, and then you can really reach out on any of these social media handles. Alright, I'll be giving you feedbacks. Make sure this is interactive, get your tools and practice. Don't just watch the video. You are supposed to solve with me, and let's all enjoy this together. Alright, so thank you. Let's move to the second method of solving simultaneous equations. And for the second one, I've chosen substitution method. Substitution method means that we are going to substitute one of the variables, or we are going to express one variable in terms of the other. So let's pick the same question that we solved. Now in the first equation, we have 3x plus y is equal to 19. The second equation has x plus y is equal to 9. Now the second equation looks simple. So we are going to choose one of the variables and make it the subject, all right? So in my case, I chose to make x the subject of the relation. Now, after naming the first equation, equation 1, the second one, equation 2, if I do any change of subject, that is going to be my third equation. So if I make x the subject, it means the y should leave to the other side. So x is now going to be equal to x is equal to 9 minus y. Remember that what was on the right hand side will remain, and this one will go to the other side of it. So we have x is equal to 9 minus y. Now we have an equation 3. Remember, we've not touched on equation 1. We are going to substitute whatever we got for x into the equation 1. And in this case, when we do that, we are going to have 3 into bracket 9 minus y plus y equal to 19. Remember that when you are substituting, put your expressions in a bracket so that you don't really get yourself in any trouble. All right, now the next thing is to remove the bracket. It means we are going to multiply the 3 through what is inside the bracket. We are going to multiply them individually. So first, 3 times 9, we have 27. 3 times negative y, we have minus 3y. Then we continue writing the equation. We have plus y is equal to 19. Then we follow on. We are going to have 27 minus 2y is equal to 19. Now let's try and group like terms. All right, so let's look at a way to make it simple. Now we are taking the 27 to the other side. Remember, there was 19 there already. So we are now going to have minus 2y is equal to 19 minus 27. For those in SHS, you have your calculators, you can't get this wrong. For those in JHS, remember that 19 minus 27 is going to give us a negative result because the 27 that is subtracting is bigger than the 19, okay? Now let's move on. We have minus 2y is equal to negative 8. Now we are dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, and this time it's negative 2. So when you divide through by negative 2, two negatives, when they divide, we are going to have a positive answer. So negative 8 out of negative 2, we are expecting y to give us a positive 4. And that's the value for y. Now, anytime you get one of the answers, you can substitute this answer in any of the equations to get the remaining variable. Okay, so for my case, I did substitute y is equal to 4 into equation 2. And then I have x plus y is equal to 9. Okay, so x plus 4 this time equal to 9. Grouping like terms, we have x is equal to 9 minus 4. And our result for x is equal to 5. So now look, we have y is equal to 4, x is equal to 5. The same answers we got for the graphical method. Hope you followed. If you are choosing the other way around, I have the solution there on the screen for you to see, okay? Now we are moving to the next method, which will be elimination or addition and subtraction. Make sure you are following up and then doing the right thing. Follow.